And Arizona's 2024 presidential election was certified today, and that means that two popular ballot measures are now state law.
12 News journalist Bram Resnick tells us both sides still face hurdles before voters will see their impact. Bram?
Yeah, Mark, Arizona voters legalized abortion, but it will take a lawsuit that could be filed as soon as next week to let women exercise that right. We also approved tougher border measures, but that law is on indefinite hold.
With the power of our votes, we made our voices heard.
The right to abortion is now protected in Arizona's Constitution after Monday's certification of the overwhelming vote for Proposition 139.
The position of the state of Arizona is that the passage of Prop 139 makes the 15-week ban and the 20-week ban unconstitutional.
The new law is clear to Democratic Attorney General Chris Mays. But the courts still must set aside existing abortion bans before women can exercise their new right.
I anticipate that we're going to see a preemptive lawsuit by an organization to seek a declaration from a court.
That lawsuit, 12 News has confirmed, could be filed next week, as soon as December 2nd.
I do think that there will be things that the legislature can do.
Republican Senate President Warren Peterson says the legislature still has a say on abortion, despite being barred by the new state law.
That's going to be determined largely upon what we see with litigation moving forward.
Peterson promoted another ballot measure that won big with voters, Proposition 314.
The whole purpose of the law was because the federal government was not enforcing the law.
The new Secure the Border Act would give local law enforcement the power to arrest border crossers. But the law stalled pending a federal court's ruling on a similar law in Texas. Peterson says he's okay with that.
Now, clearly, President Trump is going to enforce the federal law.
Now, Senate President Peterson added he could see local law enforcement or the Arizona National Guard working with the Trump administration on immigration enforcement. Bram Resnick, 12 News.
All right, Bram, thank you.